Crypto Big Boss coming to you again with another exciting video. Folks, there's a lot of folks getting excited about Shiba Inu because of Shibarium, and I've had a lot of people calling me wondering why I'm not excited. Maybe it's because I've been waiting so damn long. I mean, 1 year's one thing, 2 years is another, 3 years. I feel like I've been waiting. Has it been 4 years? I feel like I'm sitting out here with Satoshi on this tree with the dog, and it's never going to come. It just feels like it's never going to come. And I just can't get excited because there's so many other layer 2 solutions out here that do so many different things. I mean, there's a lot of them. So, you got to ask yourself, is this really going to change the price of Shib? Now, every one of these crypto evangelists is out here saying, okay, this is it. We're going to get excited. We're going to be millionaires. We're going to be rich. We're going to do all these great things. Really? Really? I mean, as far as I'm concerned, when I look at their site here, I mean, introduction to, let's go back here. Let's see. Introduction to, what do they have? To Shibarium, Shiba Inu Layer 2 Solution Network. They're telling you it's fixing the launch, and they're asking the community to please understand the phase release. Oh, okay. I understand. I've been waiting this long. I guess I can wait another year or two. Here we go again. We got all this Shiba Inu, Shib, the metaverse. We got to get past nice graphics and dogs and all of this stuff. I mean, I understand the community is working hard and whatnot, but I just think there's so much riding on this Shibarium release with regards to all the tokens in their ecosystem that I don't want to say it's a sink or swim type of deal, but I mean, after waiting this long, this is going to have to be epic. This is going to have to be something just incredible. And then even if it is, when they launch it, how long is it going to take for developers to adopt Shibarium and actually start building real solutions? How easy is it going to be? How hard is it going to be? I mean, all this stuff is just, it's just unclear. I'm waiting to see something that basically will give us a little bit better context of exactly what we can do with this thing. I'm tired of the hype. I'm tired of waiting. Are you tired of waiting? If you're tired of waiting and tired of the hype, leave a comment in the comment section. Now, the only thing that gets me excited about Shibarium and Shib is this idea that they're going to be burning all these Shib tokens on the back end of the ecosystem. I'm excited about that. I mean, and if we go over to CoinMarketCap, let's just do that for a second. CoinMarketCap.com, we take a look at Shib. It's holding at 13. I'm excited about that. But, I'm wondering, can it really traverse getting in the top 10? Can it actually double its market cap and go from $7 billion and end up right here above Cardano sitting at 14 or 15? I don't know. If it was going to do that, wouldn't it have done it by now? I mean, there's a whole lot of folks saying it's going to be epic. Well, all the talk, I mean, okay, what's happened? Let's just take a look at it. I mean, there's been a little bit of a ride here in the last 3 months. Let's take a look at it. But I mean, here's the 3-month chart right here. Is the hype over? Is this all the hype we're going to get? So I'm a believer. I believe seeing is believing. Okay, somebody's going to have to put this thing out here. I'm going to have to see developers flocking to this infrastructure, adopting Shibarium, actually building something with some utility and saying, now what, crypto big boss? Look at this. Look at what we're doing. Until then, I just can't get that excited about it. I could see the hype, the hype train might take it up another 50%, but it's going to take some major adoption by developers to push this thing into the stratosphere. So if you've enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll catch you on the next one.